caught off. I'm just gonna continue what I said. And I meant I should be eating most junk food because I've done a dentist appointment on the 26th of August. So that's in 3 days. 3 days. Yeah. I don't know what, but I'm gonna go to my garage and getting something to eat. I'm hungry. There's nothing to eat. Yeah. It's gonna be like 2 vlogs today. Because the other one got cut off and it's too short. I would not give you guys a 2-minute vlog. I mean, come on. I would get a longer one, like 20 minutes, but it can only go up to 15. So once I'm home and we're like settled and I'm trying to buy a new camera so I can actually go longer and I can just, yeah. One time I had a 30-minute, the longest one was a 15-minute vlog, but then it originally was 30 minutes. Yeah. It's a long vlog. It's like, yeah, 30 minutes and some seconds. But like, what was I saying? Or how do I have to watch this back? I forget what I was saying. Anyways, once we're all settled in and and then we'll be uploading more videos. And I can't upload like 30-minute vlogs because yeah, I can't upload a lot of videos vlogs because my iPad has, I only have like I delete every time I record a vlog. I delete that vlog as soon as it's on YouTube. So I don't keep it there because it's just a waste of time. I'm gonna sneeze. I need to sneeze. Excuse me. And like, because the twin tag, like me and my sister did, I want to delete that video. All those videos, because they're all clips, and it's on iMovie, but I can't delete it because I never want to post. Yeah. So I probably have to do it on iMovie or something like that. Because like I can't do it on my iPad because it does not want upload. So once it's all on the computer, and I'll probably edit it on iMovie tonight and probably upload it and delete all this. Not this video, but another video. Sarah's not here right now. She's at a friend's birthday party, or yeah. And I'm just here by myself. Well, my parents are here, of course. Yeah. That like really hurts. I got a growing pain in this leg, like right here. Oh, it hurts bad. It's like, ow. Just ow, ow. Look at that pretty sky. Oh, pretty. But yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna sit here. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Yeah, this camping season is almost over. Here, I go to school in 10 more days. 10. We go back to school on September 3rd. You scared me. What time do we go back to school?
September 3rd, I think. On a Wednesday.
Oh. Good thing it wasn't a Monday.
Why?
I don't know.
It's a holiday.
For what?
1st of September.
Cool. We don't go to school that. It's just 5th or 6th, like it was in middle school. What?
It's gonna be the 4th, I'm not sure.
I hope it is. That'll be even better. Ow. So I'm just marking. This is like all the blocks so far. See my nose? Let's open this. Pretty sky. Only a couple more days, and then I won't be sitting down here in my bed, seeing this pretty sky. So pretty. Sarah's doll. Always on my bed. But it's not on my bed. It's just always like my bed. If I see it on my bed one more time, Sarah, you're gonna get it. Yes, you're gonna get it, Sarah. I'm joking. Today when I got home, it was on my bed, and she's like, "Oh no, don't look." I'm like, okay, because she was on my bed. Yeah. This mosquito. Bye. I'm gonna try to get it light.